Namaste, this is Sundarambal Saramesh from Sai School of Yoga. Today's topic is watch of breath. So, what is watch of breath? Very simple. You have to watch your inhale and exhale. Sit in a calm place, in a chair, on a mat, or in a bed. Take any comfortable pose and see that your spine is erect. And then you relax your shoulders and you wear a smile. And then close your eyes and then you watch your breath. That is your inhale, your air coming and touching your nose, and then the air just goes out from your nose. So just watch your every inhale of yours and every exhale of yours at full concentration on how you inhale and how well you exhale. So this prepares your body for the pranayama, and then you will also learn how to relax. So when you are in office, or if you're watching TV, or if you are cooking, you're doing any activity, you don't watch your breath. You just take your inhale and exhale for granted, because the body takes care and it's just inhale and exhale is happening. Now when you sit in a calm place and you go and you watch your breath, it's a very nice thing that you have to watch your breath. It first relaxes your mind, then it prepares your body for pranayama, or there any activity for taking any decision in your life. Just sit in one calm place and then just watch your inhale and exhale. So how to do that? It's not that you have to chant any om, or you have to concentrate on numbers. It's not like meditation. It is just taking your concentration only to your inhale and exhale. So a deep breath in, how the air goes in through your nose, and then how well the exhalation happens, and again how the abdomen goes out for every inhale, then the abdomen goes in for every exhale. Just close and be there for 5 minutes on a mat, on a chair, or take any comfortable pose with a straight spine and relax shoulders and a smile in your face, and then watch your breath. It's a very nice feeling, and you can do this 21 times. You can also count your inhale and exhale. One inhale and exhale is one. So like that you can do a nice 21 times of inhale and exhale, or you can have a clock and set an alarm for 5 minutes, and then just you can watch your breath. Here, while doing so, when you really want to do a perfect and good pranayama, so you can see that, or else you can train your exhale to be longer than your inhale. That will be a relaxing one, and that will also be comfortable and suitable for you to do the rest of the pranayama technique. So watch your inhale, how well it goes, and then watch your exhale, how well you are exhaling to the maximum until the last drop of your exhale, and again you're taking it in. So see that you're doing it fast or slow, and if you're doing it very fast, see that you do it very slowly, and the exhalation what you're doing is very slow and it is more than your inhale. So watch everything. So something goes inside your body, you will feel a nice tingling sensation in your body. It's a nice feel, and your whole body will be relaxed, and you will be preparing yourself for the rest of the pranayama. So this will be done. This you can do for 3 to 4 minutes before the pranayama session, or 1 minute, 2 minutes. So then your body gets tuned, and you will be sitting in a comfortable pose, and then you can do your Kapalabhati, Ujjayi, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So everything will fall in place and you will be enjoying the pranayama. What the Tirumula says is, when you do a proper pranayama, it's like taking a honey. So always when you do a pranayama very well, you will be tempted to do again and again. It is like taking a honey, a drop of honey, and you will be tempted to have it again and again. So a watch of breath is a very, very nice technique to prepare your body for the pranayama, and also to calm you down and to take a good decision in your life. So, and a stress-free life. So this was about watch of breath. So just sit in a calm place at 21 inhale and exhale, or 5 minutes, just 5 minutes a day, morning and evening. Just watch your breath and relax. So this is Sundarambal Saramesh from Sai School of Yoga. Happy yoga to everyone. Dharana Sucha Yogyatha Manasa. I'm sitting in Vajrasan for Watch of Breath. So my spine is erect and I place my hands over my thigh and I keep my shoulders relaxed. I wear a smile and I close my eyes. So while doing this, sometimes my concentration would go somewhere else. And again, I take my concentration to my inhale and exhale and how soft, how cool, how long I inhale well and how my inhale happens. Everything I watch. I also watch with my abdomen going out for every inhale and I also watch my after and every exhale it goes in. So that was Watch of Breath demo from Sai School of Yoga. This is Sundarambal Sai Ramesh signing off. Happy yoga to all. Dharana Sucha Yogyata